So hi, I've gotten this question quite a number of times. How do you check outstanding balances on a car before you buy it? Police receipts, parking tickets, and all that. So let's start with. I'm going to do two things. I'm going to show you how to check for parking receipts on Airtel, the network in Uganda. I'm going to show you how to check police receipts using an app by the police itself. So let's first go. You go to your Play Store for Android, and then you search for an app called UPF Mobi. It's right here. You click on it, and you want to install it. So as it installs, we're going to go and try. I'll show you how to check though for the parking tickets. So for the parking tickets, we're going to use short code Airtel Money menu, and to go there, you go to your dial pad, and you say *185# and it will bring you a menu. Then you go to payments, which is number 5, and then you'll go to multiplex, which is number 2, and then view vehicle balance, which is number 2 again, and you'll enter the vehicle number for which you want to search for the balance. Okay, and then you press send, and then we'll ask you for your PIN number. Okay, and then you put that in, and they'll bring you the balance. As you can see, this vehicle has a balance of 3,000 in multiplex. Normally for me, I'll let that go. Now after you've done that, let's go back to Play Store to see if this app has an install. You see it's 96%. So let's wait. Now normally when you just downloaded this UPF Mobi app fresh the very first time, they'll ask you to register with your phone number and email address and names, but I've already done that. I just installed the app for this demonstration. I put it out, I uninstalled it, so I'm installing it for you to see how you can go through about the whole process. So when it installs, for me, I will not have to register. You'll have to register, don't worry about it. Just register in case they ask you for that. So now it finished installing. When you open up for the very first time, for you'll have to register. As you can see, Uganda Police, Protect and Serve. For you, you'll have to register. I already registered, so they don't want me. As you can see, the app says it does a lot of things. You can report a crime, for example. Okay, and you can find stuff that is lost and found, like national IDs, vehicle number plates and all. You can find missing people, announcements. Of course, police should ideally be registering it, registering cases there. You can search a nearby station and all, but what we want mostly is the vehicle tickets. That's where we're going to go. So they are still warning you the same thing I told you before, that if you don't pay for a police ticket within 30 days, they'll add a 50% surcharge. So if you buy a car and it has an outstanding balance of 100,000, if you don't see it and then deduct from the money you're buying from the other person, you'll pay 150. So that should be in your mind. So we want to check if the car has balance. You type in the vehicle number, first of all, without space, and then say search. Yeah, and then they'll show you that it has no record. But sometimes people write these numbers with space, so you want to try again with the space. Okay, you see, no record at all. And as you can see there, you know now that the car is free and you can pay for the car. That's all you need to know before you buy a car, in case you want to search for outstanding receipts. If you have MTN mobile money instead of Airtel money, of course you still follow the Airtel, the MTN mobile money. You go payments, find multiplex, view balance, put in the number and then PIN code, and yes, you will see the outstanding balance. That's all you need to know if you want to search for outstanding balance.